Good morning! Welcome to our short video training. I just want to recognize every USANA associates from USANA Team Korea. Guys, congratulations for being there. Congratulations for keeping the fire burning. Congratulations for your decision to create big in USANA. Congratulations for the vision you have created as a leader of this organization. Guys, congratulations na nag-create ka talaga ng isang vision na hindi lang tulungan yung sarili mo, but of course, to help every Filipino to dream big, to live the life of their dreams, to become an inspiration, okay? Not only to Filipinos out there, not only Filipinos na nasa Korea, but of course, to all Filipinos around the world. And guys, dinig na yung team ninyo dito sa USANA Mindanao, especially sa Davao. So congratulations for that. You are inspiration to us. And I just want also to congratulate our earners. Okay, madami po tayong mga earners last week hanggang ngayon. Guys, you know who you are. Congratulations for the hard work. Guys, resulta yan ng mga trabaho na ginagawa nyo. Okay, dito sa USANA. And of course, I just want to mention one name. Bakit? Kasi first time niyang kumita ng commission this week. And congratulations to this lady, Michelle Costales. Congratulations for earning $50 this week. Okay? First time na mag-earn ng commission. Hindi pa kasali yung retail income niya. $50. Di ba? Parang maliit kung titingnan mo. $50 but in 3 weeks time. Kahit maglakad ka from Makati hanggang Quezon City, hindi mo makukuha yung $50 na yan. So, Michelle, congratulations for having that, for earning $50 and sa rank mo as a sharer. Congratulations for that. And you know what? The good thing is, 3 weeks pa lang po. 3 weeks na $50 na siya. Guys, USANA is not designed for short term. USANA is not designed for 3 weeks. USANA is designed, okay? USANA is designed for long term. USANA is designed para makuha yung pangarap mo sa buhay. Yun yung USANA. So yung 3 weeks na yan, palitan natin yan ng 3 years. Ano na kaya yung buhay mo? Yung 3 years na yan, palitan natin yan ng 6 years or 7 years or 10 years. What is your life? And I have found or I have met many people na gumagawa ng USANA for 10 years. I met this beautiful and energetic lady, kasama yung husband niya, si Annette and Victor Ke. Okay? They are 6-star diamond director. 6 stars. Okay? Napakadami. 6-star diamond directors doing this business for 10 years. So, what is their life? So, tingnan nyo na lang sa Facebook. Annette and Victor Ke. Okay? 6-star diamond directors. And I have met also mga Filipinos like our mentor, Robert Rances and Selena Rances. They are doing this business in just 4 years, 5 years. But of course, they are one of the top income earner of USANA Mindanao. Okay, pag sinabi mong income, I will not mention any income, but guys, okay, you can chat, you can ask, okay, kung gusto mong malaman kung ilan or magkano yung kinikita nila. And many, many more. We have Upline Romel and DC Balaguer, the first $1 Million Club member of USANA Philippines. So, those are the result, okay, na kung ano sila ngayon, pwede kang maging ganon. Pwede tayo maging ganon. Okay? It started with becoming a USANA distributors. And congratulations sa mga nag-decide to our new, mga bagong USANA member ng Team Korea. Guys, you are welcome. And I have this assurance, you made the right decision. Okay? So, today we will talk or we will discuss sa ating short training. Let's classify para malaman mo kung saan ka. Kung saan ka napabilang. Let's classify USANA associates na pumapasok. Okay? Para malaman mo kung saan ka. Okay? So, lahat kasi ng tao, lahat ng USANA associates na pumapasok sa USANA, mayroon kanyang-kanyang rason. So, i-classify natin according to the reason or objectives. Ba't sila pumasok? Una, pumasok yung isang tao para lang maging isang USANA user. Or we simply call them product user or consumer. Okay? Hindi sila magbi-business. Hindi pa nila nakikita. But of course, hindi close yung door na they will do the business. But for now, nung nakita nila yung sana, the product is very good, it is true, quality plus quantity, the most or the best supplement in the world. And hindi na natin yan i-discuss kasi totoong-totoo, the best supplement in the world. Since nakita nila and they found out na pwede sila maging healthy, not only them, but of course, their family and loved ones. That's why, nagpa-member sila to become a product user or consumer. Okay? So, pangalawa, papasok yung isang Usana associate to become a retailer. Kasi nung nakita niya maganda yung product, sabi niya, wow, so pwede ako kikita dito. Okay, i-retail ko lang yung products, then pag may bibili, then kikita ako. So, retailer, buy and sell. Okay? They buy Usana products and they sell the products with a certain or konting markup. And through that, kikita sila. And it is not bad to become a retailer. And we really need retailer para mas madami yung makakaalam ng products. Para mas madami yung magiging healthy. Kasi yun yung vision ng founder natin, Dr. Myron Wentz, na dapat lahat ng member or family ng member ng Usana family magiging healthy. And with that retailer na mayroon ka under your organization, mas maraming makakatikim, mas maraming gamit ng product at saka mas maraming magiging healthy. But of course, you have to know na hindi lang retail profit yung ibinibigay ng Usana. It's more than retail profit. We have 6 ways to earn. Diba? 6 ways to earn. And one of my favorite is the commission. Okay? So if you want to earn big, mas malaki pa kaysa kinikita mo sa retail profit, you have to become this number 3, the business builder. Or we simply call them the leaders. Ito yung mga leaders. Okay? Ito yung mga gusto maging leaders. The business builders. So ano yung kaibahan sa retailer? Retailer, kikita ka. But retail profit. Pag business builder ka, you are not planting mongo. Okay? Kasi pag retailer ka, pag bumenta ka ng products, may kita ka na agad. Pag business builder ka, hindi mo napapansin. Yung maliliit na income, $40, $30, $20, $25, or even yung retail profit mo, hindi mo napapansin because you have set yourself for a bigger vision. After 5 years, 10 years, dito, pag business builder ka, you are planting manga. Okay? Didiligan mo, alagaan mo, after 5 years, 10 years, that manga will keep on bearing fruit. It is like being a business builder in Usana. Ang ginagawa ng business builder, of course, they also sell the products, but 20% of their time nakalaan doon, 80% of it, ang ginagawa nila to maximize their income, they keep on sharing, they keep on telling people na kailangan kang mangarap, na kailangan natin to gawin kung gusto mo bago yung buhay mo. Okay? And after that, pag pumasok yung tao, they keep on training, they keep on teaching that person kung anong gawin niya para maging retailer at saka para maging isang business builder, para maging isang leader. Yun yung trabaho ng isang business builder. Recruiting, magpapalaki ng grupo. Okay? Kasi kung isa kang business builder, ikaw ito, you have consumers, you have retailers, and of course, you have the business builders. It's your responsibility, kasama yung mga leaders mo, na alagaan, palakihin yung organization. Because through that, after 20 years, lahat ng maliliit na bagay na ginawa nyo, from day 1 hanggang 5 years or 10 years, ma-accumulate yan, and bang! Boom! Okay? Kikita ka ng residual income. Anong residual income na yan? Residual income, ito yung kahit kunting effort na lang ibigay mo because you have already planted, you have already built your business, kikita ka pa rin kahit hindi ka na masyado nag-work. And gusto natin yan. Nadarating sa atin yan that money is not a problem anymore. Yun yung benefits ng isang business builder. Okay? O yung gusto maging isang business builder. And of course, what if pumasok ka sa Usana? Okay? Pumasok ka kasi na-excite ka. Naging user ka, at the same time, retailer. Pwede ka ba maging isang business builder? The answer is big yes. Of course, you can be a business builder anytime you want. But of course, kailangan mo na makita sarili mo. Ba't mo ito gagawin? Ba't gusto mong maging isang business builder? The requirement is decision. In that decision, dapat ang backup niyan, nakagawa ka ng decision kasi nga, okay, kasi nga, you have that desire, you have that realization na anong gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo. So, the first thing to do is know what you want in life. Like, we can set together, okay? Pag-usapan natin, anong gusto mo sa buhay? Anong gusto mo after 10 years, 5 years? Anong gusto mong buhay? Anong gusto mo para sa anak mo, sa pamilya mo? Through that desire you have, then make a decision to become a business builder. And we will build your dreams. Okay? Yun yung requirement. So ngayon, hindi lahat nagsimula as business builders. Nag-start sila as retailer, and then they decided to become a business builders. And I have met many business builders who is enjoying their life, the fruit of their labor, from the day they started doing this business. So, paano ngayon? Paano ngayon yan pag nag-decide ka na maging isang business builders? Ano yung gagawin mo? The how. Okay? Guys, dito na papasok yung mentor mo. Dapat merong somebody, your upline, kung sino pa dyan na nakita mo na tutulong sa'yo. Okay? Dapat merong somebody na tutulong sa'yo. Mag-guide sa'yo. Pwede ka naman maging isang business builder na wala sila. But, matatagalan. Mas mabilis kung merong somebody na nag-guide sa'yo. We call it your upline or your mentor. So kami dito, you have so many uplines there in Korea, and of course kami dito sa Mindanao, sa Philippines. We can help you. Okay? Gamitin natin yung internet, the Skype, the Facebook. Let's set an appointment. The first thing to do is set an appointment. Pag-usapan natin yung gusto nyo sa buhay, and then decide to become a business builders. We will teach you how because somebody is teaching us also. We have our mentors. Okay? So guys, thank you so much. Mabuhay Team Korea. See you in our next video training. Again, you need a mentor if you want to become a business builders. Thank you and God bless.